Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Montgomery Street in Eccles M30 on a popular Havenswood Development to show you this 3-bedroom detached family home. As you can see, it's got a driveway which stretches down along the side to the garage. Let's take a look inside. So you'll notice as we head throughout the property that it's a really good standard, and the current owners have put their own stamp on it as well. So we head and go into a hallway which on your right opens on up to this nice neutral family lounge with panelled walls. Got this quirky downstairs toilet. There's understairs storage just through here as well. And then we head through this large open plan kitchen, living and dining area. It's got velux windows and the patio doors at the back, letting plenty of light in. It's a great space for entertaining. Also has the added benefit of a utility cupboard to keep things nice and clear. To the rear of the property, you've got a good sized garden, complete with lace lawn grass and paving. Property benefits from being within easy access of Eccles town centre, which benefits from the Metro link, which takes you straight on through to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre. It's also close to local schooling as well. Upstairs, when you get to the landing on your right, head through to the family bathroom, which is a lovely standard. But the main bedroom just through here benefits from an ensuite shower room. Then we've got the second bedroom, which is another double bedroom. And then the third bedroom, which is currently in use as a dressing room cum study. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.